Hey, what is going on? So today we're going to take a look at a Frigidaire, say 8,000 BTU. I just finished doing a lot of work to this. I picked this up off the street a couple days ago. The fan was completely frozen in there. You couldn't even turn it. I'm guessing what happened with this one is I think it was probably left outside in the rain and they had it on its back. And because there was a lot of water in the motor and it was real rusty in there. Yeah, so I had to take the motor apart. I cleaned the what is that? The stator. I cleaned that off with steel wool, and I do a lot of cleaning inside the motor case. I'm surprised that it even works, but it does work fine now. It's a Welling motor. That's just a Chinese motor brand, that Welling. Yeah, anyway, this one was a little hard to take apart because it's got rivets on it. I had to grind them off and punch them out. Anyway, yeah, I cleaned it all up, put new bearings in it. And works fine now. Surprisingly, I wasn't even sure it would work. So, yeah, this camera don't focus. I'm getting my other camera fixed soon. Yeah, it's an 8,000 BTU. What is the date on this? It's from 2021. This is fairly new. Yeah, this motor, virtually no protection from the water on it. It had one very thin rubber washer at one end that was split apart. You know, I've got some scrap motors here. I took some parts off of that one, the screws and the bolts. Used them on this one. I took the little rubber thingy off of the other motor, put it on this one. So yeah, I think it's, you know, I put some grease in the cups in there, and it should be a little bit more sealed against water now than it was. And I got sealed bearings in it, so you know, the back was pretty smushed up on this. You know, I got it. That's the best I could get it, so looks all right. So yeah, this was worth doing all the work to. You know, this is a 3-year-old air conditioner. It's an 8,000. I can get a good price for this. So let's turn it on. Alright, that's low. We're on cool. I don't think the compressor came on. Alright, we must have got it during a reset or something. Give it a second here. Oh, it's on now, I think. Yeah. Maybe it was on before, I don't know. So yeah, it's a GMCC motor, compressor. It actually runs pretty good in this one. It's fairly quiet. Yeah, this runs pretty nice. The motor runs great now. Yeah, I'm really surprised. Yeah, I wasn't even sure if it would still work after I put it back together because it was kind of rusty in there. Here's the bearings I took out of this one. Yeah, this one was just completely frozen. It was actually stuck in the cup. I had a real hard time getting the bearing out of the cup. I had to whack it with a you know, a bent screwdriver. I got it out. So yeah, this is low. That's medium. High. Fan's pretty nice on this. There's a good difference in the speeds there. It's low again. And it's pretty quiet on low. This, I think this tilts, yeah. Yeah, this is a pretty nice air conditioner. Remote sensing. I don't know if that's for the remote control or what. Does not have Wi-Fi on it though. So still can get a pretty good price for this. You know, it's 3 years old. It's in really nice shape. I actually think it's better now than it was when it was new, because I improved the motor. I improved the water resistance of the motor a little bit. Yeah, so there you go. There's a 2021 Frigidaire. See you next time.